Hello guys, welcome. Unboxing thing that I ordered, and recently, this is my Samsung Tab charger, and this is the wire of the charger. And as I connect this and start to plug, and after some time I noticed that it is not being charged. The tab is not being charged, and I checked the both things separately, and this thing is fine, but the problem is with this wire. This wire has a loose connection with the copper so there are some reasons for that, like getting stuck in sofas or any other furnitures. This might cause like this loose connection. In the inside, the wire's inside part is copper, so the copper became loose and the connection became very slow, and it can't be charged. So I saw and I can't buy this online because it is too much expensive. So it is very expensive to buy it online. So what I did was buy from offline stores, and I got this cable, and it says 2023. It is not a real Samsung cable, but I would like to show you guys that make sure to check your charger and keep it safe. Sometimes it may explode. You have to be careful with this new modern technologies. We don't know what will happen next. And this is the thing that I bought. It is like 200 rupees. It says that it is made in March 2023. In here it says fast charging and etc. As you can see, this fast charging. Anyway, you don't need any knife to open this. This is very simple. Like, you just like this. That's all. This thing is like this. Anyway, let's open this and get the wire. This is the wire. I hope it is looking good and nice. It is not real wire, it is just like a normal cable. Here it says Target. I think it is from Target company. Yeah, Target high-speed USB cable, super durable. So this might work. This might be super durable than the real Samsung charger. Anyway, let me get this So just guys wait. And guys, I finally opened it, and let's get this thing out. Oh my goodness, game. Anyway, yes. Finally, I got it. Just like a few seconds to get. Finally, remove this thing. And this is the charger. You know, look the wire. This is just like, and let's get this thing out. Oh my goodness, game. Anyway, yes. Finally, I got it. Just like a few seconds to get. Finally, remove this thing. And this is the charger. You know, look the wire. This is just like, you know, thicker than this original wire. Look. You might don't see the difference, but it is this is very thicker than this thinner one. Let's try to connect it with this charger. Let me look. Let it work or not. Okay. Yes. Okay, I like this. You know, I buy it from the offline, not online. Online has a very large amount of cash to buy. This is like 200 rupees. And I forgot to say that, guys, make sure be careful from using this type of modern technologies. Be careful, stay safe, and see you from another video. Goodbye.